Hi, my name is Lucas Centeno, and I am an intern here at the American Red Cross of Greater Chicago. Before I became an intern here, I was in the United States Army from 2003 to 2009, and during that time I did have to utilize the Red Cross during my second tour of Iraq, because I did do 2 tours of Baghdad, Iraq. During my second tour, my father fell deathly ill in the hospital due to a bad chemical reaction to a diet that he was forced to take because of his health. And the Red Cross contacted my CO in Baghdad, Iraq, and my CO kept in contact with me and had me on standby to go home if, thankfully, the worst happened, but did not happen, thankfully. But they always kept my CO informed, and they kept my parents informed, and it was amazing how quickly they were keeping contact with a soldier who was thousands of miles away. So that's one of the reasons why I took this opportunity to join the Red Cross when the opportunity was presented to me, and I'm glad I was able to take part in this internship, and I look forward to doing more future volunteer work for the Red Cross.
How did they contact you? Was it via a letter or telephone?
They contacted them via landline and email.
Okay.
So that's how they kept in contact with my CO.
And how often did they stay in touch with your CO?
They kept my CO updated every 24 to 48 hours.
Oh,
while
wow.
my dad was in the hospital.
And how long did that go on for?
Thankfully, it was only for 2 weeks, if I'm correct.
Okay.
For 2 weeks, it was constant contact with my CO just to make sure that he was informed, so that way they could inform me of my father's status, and if anything, if the worst happened, I would be sent right away back home to be by his side.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hmm?